In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create a Stripe checkout page in just 5 minutes. Whether you're a small business owner, a freelancer, or just getting started with e-commerce, setting up a seamless payment gateway is crucial. And with Stripe's user-friendly interface, this process is not only quick, but also straightforward. So, let's get started. First, you'll need to open your web browser and navigate to Stripe's official website. If you don't have it bookmarked yet, a quick search should bring you right there. It's important to ensure you're on the official site, as you'll be handling sensitive financial information. Once you arrive at Stripe's homepage, you'll immediately notice the vibrant and informative layout. Head over to the top right corner of the page, where you'll see the Sign In button. Go ahead and click on it. If you already have a Stripe account, simply log in using your credentials. For those who are new, you'll need to create an account. But for this tutorial, I'll assume that you've already set up your account. After logging in, you'll be redirected to the Stripe dashboard, a centralized hub that provides you with all the essential tools to manage your payments and transactions effectively. From here, direct your attention to the left-hand side of the dashboard. Look for the Payments option and click on it. This section allows you to manage your transactions in a streamlined manner, ensuring you have all the insights you need. Within the Payments section, there's another feature we'll focus on today: the Create Payment Links option. You'll find it conveniently located, ready to be used to generate payment links that your customers can use to finalize their purchases. Clicking on Create Payment Links will open up a new interface where you can start setting up your checkout page. This is where the magic happens. Here you can specify the details and parameters for the payment links. You'll determine key aspects like the product or service description, the price, and any additional settings necessary to ensure the transaction fits your needs. To wrap things up, once all your details are input correctly, review them to double-check for any errors. When everything looks good, go ahead and finalize the creation of your payment link. Voila! You now have a Stripe checkout page ready for action. This link can be shared with your customers, offering them a secure and efficient payment process that enhances their overall purchasing experience. And there you have it. In just a few simple steps, you've created your very own Stripe checkout page. This streamlined process ensures you can start accepting payments swiftly, keeping your business operations smooth and hassle-free. Thanks for watching, and remember to like and subscribe for more useful tutorials.